In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the strength of your glued joints when you're gluing end grain. So first start off by sealing the end grain. So a nice thin layer of glue and just let that sit for a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare just applying glue straight onto the end grain, spreading it over and then gluing it all up together. And I just want to show you the comparison in strength between the two options. So this is the one where I've just applied glue to the end grain and I've clamped it up. So what I've done now is that's the sealed one there. So I've allowed that to sit and penetrate into the grain. So now I'm putting a normal layer of glue on top of that. That's after about 10 minutes of sitting there. And I'm just going to compress it. See the glue sticking out from the bottom? That's because it's not getting sort of pulled up into the end grain of the wood. And this is 24 hours later. I've created essentially a diving board so I can get some real good leverage. Now I've got a great big record vise here. And I'm just going to slide it across the wood and eventually we'll reach a point where it decides to give way, like that. So I'm going to mark it and show you how much leverage it needed. So you can see the marking on the wood there. So this is the piece that I've actually sealed first and then applied the glue afterwards. So the board is in exactly the same place, and I take the vise and I slide it back, and as you can see I've had to reposition the camera because it went so far. Then I'm bringing in a great big sledgehammer head, and that's the failing point.